Okay, so we are going to install Windows Server 2016 on a Mac using VMware Fusion. So I'm going to start VMware Fusion. We'll go up here to the top and we're going to do a new image. We're going to install from a disk or image. We'll click continue. And I've already looked to find this, but normally you would, use another disk or disk image. You would go and find the ISO. And then we would do continue. Actually, close this. And this is Windows Server 2016. We'll do continue here, and we're going to leave all of these settings as they are. We'll do finish here. We're going to call it Windows Server 2016. I'm going to add the word base on here. And we're now going to go ahead and watch the install. We'll go ahead and click next here. And we'll do install now. And traditionally, I'll speed up some of these areas where we're just actually waiting. Now, we're not going to use the product key just yet. So we'll use Windows Server 2016 Data Center. And we'll do Desktop Experience. Click Next. Accept the license terms. We're going to do a custom. We'll do this in the unallocated space. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put in the administrator password here, and we're going to click finish. And we'll go up to virtual machine, and we'll do send Control Alt Delete. I'm going to type in my administrator password, and here's my install of Windows Server 2016. I'm going to say yes on this to allowing it to be discoverable. And eventually our server manager will show up here. Okay, and that's all we need to do as far as the installation. And we're going to actually set up the networking and change the name of the server and do a bunch of those things in future videos. But that's all for now.